fly. The basic physics of an airplane's flight is hidden in the wings. The upper surface of the wing is curved and the lower surface is flat. As a result, the air above the wing travels a greater distance at the same time. According to Bernoulli's principle, as speed increases, pressure decreases, resulting in low pressure above and high pressure below, which produces lift force. Slats and flaps are used to further increase the lift force. When the speed of the airplane reaches a certain level, the elevator is raised upwards, as a result of which the rear of the airplane tilts and the angle of attack of the wing increases and the airplane easily flies into the sky.